Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Vijay. Today I am going to teach you how you can rotate an object in 360 direction around XYZ axis. So this is my project, Unity project. So in this project I will show you how you can rotate an object in 360 degree direction around XYZ axis. So let's play this game. Okay, this has a sphere and cube, and cube is inside this sphere. So just I will show you. So this let see this when I'm pressing and moving my mouse, it rotating around x and g direction. So you can see the values in here inside the inspector window. So value of x and g. So yeah, so when I'm moving mouse up and down, it's rotating around x-axis, and when moving horizontally, it rotating around z-axis. So how you can do that, I will explain. First of all, when you rotate an object around x y z axis, you can set it a pivot point. So in my case, I set the pivot point of this game object. So this is a center of this is sphere. It holds the cube, and I can show you where is my pivot point. Pivot point is this one, and the center point is will be somewhere. Center point of this game object. So this is the pivot point. Okay, so it will rotate around pivot point only. Okay, so yeah, this is an object rotation script I created. So it hold the game object reference. So I assign this sphere object which I want to rotate. Okay, I will show you the code. Okay. So this object rotation script has the reference of this game object which we want to rotate, and the starting position. When user click on the screen, it will store the starting position of the mouse, and when user click, hold and move the mouse, it will store the current position of the mouse, and the difference will calculate the difference between the current position and the starting position. And this is current rotation. It hold the current rotation angle of the object. Okay, so this is update method will continuously uh, call once per frame. Okay, so Unity provides this method and class to get the input from the mouse. Okay, so input class has this method: get mouse button down, get mouse button, and get mouse button up. So 0 is a parameter of this method. 0 is for the left click, and 1 is for the right click. You can set it 1 also here if you want to rotate game object on the right click. Okay, so I want to rotate a game object around XYZ direction based on the left click. So 0 is for the left click only. So once user press the left click button on the screen, let's see here, once he click, and this method will be call and will return the true values. So this method return boolean, true or false. So this condition will become true at that time. At the time the mouse position we have to store input dot mouse position, it will return the vector 3 where you will get the x and y position of the mouse. You will get 0, z value 0, because on the screen you will not get the z direction of this mouse. You will get x and y values of the screen. Okay, so it will hold the current position of the mouse. This is a start position when this method is called, and the current rotation we have to store the current rotation values of the game object into this variable. So this is a reference object, and the transform rotation Euler angle. So x value of this game object, and the y g value of that current rotation of this You can see that. So this method will be called when user press, and this will condition will become true when user press and hold and move mouse on the screen. So here we are calculating the difference between the current position and the starting position. So current position, take the input from the mouse position, and we will subtract the values from the current position and starting position. So after that we will add some values into the current angle. So current angle of my current selected object is like current rotation dot x, and plus the difference what we calculated, and divide by 2 is a smoothness. If and after calculation this x and g rotation, we have to set it of that game object. So reference object dot transform dot rotation quaternion dot Euler angle. If you want to set angle of any game object, you have to set accordingly, like quaternion dot Euler. It will set the current rotation angle of that game object. Okay, while at the runtime you are moving the mouse, it will calculate all this position and the angle of your object. So we here you can see that we are rotating an object based on the position difference. Okay, and once you move the mouse, and this is the and touch and method, like, so when user press, hold and lift the mouse, this condition will become true. Inside this condition we are not doing anything, just printing the mouse position here only. So yeah, that's it only. I will again run the game and will show you. So you can see this object rotation, it is rotating around x and z direction. So it is rotating around 360 degrees. So you can achieve by using this script. Okay, so if you like this video, please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel, and write down the comments if you have any doubt. If you want any new video on any topic, so write it down. Thank you for watching. Thanks a lot.